So how do you use Tinder as a complete beginner? Hello everyone, welcome back to our short beginner's guide on how to geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can use Tinder as a complete beginner. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're looking to date or you're only looking to make some new friends or whatever else it may be reason, maybe you might want to just make new friends and hang out, there is a wonderful application called Tinder, which is also known as a dating application. So first things first, of course, you want to make sure to download the Tinder application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to open it, and then you must also have an existing account on Tinder. So just make sure that you have an account. It's very easy to create an account. All you need is a phone number or your email address to sign up. Now once you've created your account, we're going to first of all move on to our profile page, which means to complete our profile. When we come to our profile page here, first of all you have to fill in all your details and add your photos. Tap on the edit icon over here. You can add or remove photos over here. I always recommend you to use your real photos so that you can verify yourself later on, and then you can actually differentiate yourself from the crowd. And then after that, you can turn on smart photos so that Tinder is going to detect which photos are actually going to work best for you and when most people swipe to right, when they actually went ahead and then liked your photos. Then after that, you can see about me section. You can fill that in. You can see interest, you can see relationship goals as to what you're looking about in this Tinder application, what you're actually looking for. Then you have the more about me, such as your zodiac, your education, your family plans, whatever else you think you want to fill out, your lifestyle, your job title, your living in, your Instagram profiles and social medias. And then you want to also enter your gender, your profile, you want to show your age or not, that's totally up to you. Now these are some of the privacy settings only. The other thing, which is the main thing that I'm going to explain to you, as there is also 4 versions of Tinder. One is the free version, and one is the plus version, which has a certain amount of fee. Other is the Tinder Gold version, as you can see over here, and the other is the Tinder Platinum version basically. So you have Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus and Tinder Platinum. Depending upon which option is convenient for you, you can get a premium, but you can actually still make use of the free version, because I'm going to tell you how you can do that. Now next thing is to find a match for ourselves. So now you've created your profile already, you've made your awesome profile, you have uploaded different type of photos that you think people are going to like it. The next step comes when somebody matches with you. Now on Tinder, it's not how it's going to work, like how it matches. Just because your goals and everything match does not mean you two match. You both have to like each other, and Tinder is not going to let you know who have liked you unless you subscribe to their premium version. Now this is a little bit sketchy part in my opinion, but I just think that everybody wants to make money, so it's acceptable, but you will not be able to figure out who has liked you unless you pay for the premium version. So over here you can see that this is a specific profile, and then what you want to do is, if you swipe left, it means that you are not interested in this person. You can see nope, right? If you swipe right, it means that you are interested in this person. Now you have to understand that this person is not going to be able to go ahead and then actually be reminded that you have liked them unless they have the premium version. And if they like you back, it means that you both can match up, and then only you can message each other. Only when you've liked each other, you should be able to message each other, because if you have not liked each other, you will not be able to go ahead and then message each other. So you just have to keep those things in mind. So come back, just scroll through other profile, tap left or right to view more profiles. If you like them, that's fine, you can see the age. If you don't like it, just hit the nope option. And then over here you can also see this, just hit the nope option over here. Now it says that you've run out of people. Basically I swipe left to everybody. I don't really use it, I only make it for tutorial purposes, but to show you guys, this is simply how it works. When they like you back, coincidentally they see your picture and then they scroll to Tinder, you should be able to get a notification that says these people have liked you over here, but you will not be able to see their photos. It's kind of blurry because this is a sketchy part from Tinder. You have to get the premium version. After that, you should be able to message them and then find a date for yourself. Hope this video helped you as to how you can use Tinder as a complete beginner. I hope I explained as much basic as possible, and if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down because I'll be happy to answer them all. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.